Hello children, I am Miss Jayashree here. Today we will discuss about the mineral based industries. Under mineral based industry we have iron and steel industry, electronics industry, petrochemical industry, etc. So today we will discuss about the electronic industries, which is the very most important industries. The electronic industries developed in India in 1950s. It began with radio manufacturing and at present has diversified into the new areas like the space exploration, defense equipments, medical diagnosis, communication, information technologies means now we are saying it is IT sector, computer systems, Indian hardware and software is in great demand worldwide. The electronic industry requires large number of skilled workers, means trained professionals. It is a fast growing tertiary occupation and has a larger concentration in the southern states because already we learned children because of the pleasant climate in Bengaluru and also networking communication throughout the global areas. It is very much suitable for establishing this industry in the southern parts of our country. The Indian telephone industry ITI. It was the first government undertaking to be set up after independence near Bengaluru in the year 1950. Which one? The Indian telephone industry. It produces equipment to meet the needs of the post and telegraph departments, railways, defense, overseas communication services, and electricity boards. Among other items, it manufactures automatic telephone switching systems and the teleprinter exchange and long distance transmission systems. Teleprinters are used now. It is rarely used children in the fax machines, but previously it was used to send the messages via telegrams. Okay, and the code language was Torre and Taka. Now, the Electronic Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, Electronic Corporation of India Limited, ECIL. It is an indigenous unit. It was set up in Hyderabad in the year 1970. It has a well-equipped laboratory where tests are carried out. Among its products are transistorized modular systems for nuclear applications and for use in medical, agricultural and industrial fields. Components like the metal oxide resistors, analog computers and online digital process control the computers are also produced. The ITI has now 7 manufacturing units all over the country, 2 at Bengaluru and 1 each at Naini, Bareilly, Mankapur, Palakkad and Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. The Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, it was set up in the public sector in the year 1956 in Bengaluru to fulfill the need of electronics in defense services. It also caters means provides to the needs of All India Radio and the meteorological departments. BEL, the Bharat Electronic Limited, important contribution in the fields of communication, radar, fire control systems for tanks and various kinds of optical systems. Now we will discuss about the space technology. Our space technology is supported by the electronic industry. Everything is based upon the remote sensors. So it is very much important for the space technology. Which one? The electronic industry. We have successfully launched indigenous built satellites such as the Apple InSat series. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO at Bengaluru, the Satellite Launching Station at Sriharikota and the National Remote Sensing Agency at Hyderabad are landmarks in the space technology. India is among the 6 nations of the world possesses the capacity to launch satellites into the geosynchronous transfer orbit GTO. ISRO had developed 2 rockets, the Polar Satellite Launch vehicle PSLV for putting the satellites into the polar orbits, and the geosynchronous satellites launch vehicle GSLV for placing the satellites into the geostationary orbits. These rockets have launched numerous communication satellites, earth observing satellites, and these all are built under the system of escape velocity. In 2008, Chandrayaan 1, India's first scientific mission to moon, was launched. Now we will come to the IT sector, that is the software industry. The software industry is emerged as one of the fastest growing sectors in the electronics in India. In IT sector or the software industry also, the electronic industry plays a king role, means it rules over the IT sector also. The Department of Electronics has adopted a proactive role to further enhance the competitiveness of India in information technology and has initiated a number of programs for the manpower development, quality upgradation, and simultaneous of software engineering and research. Again, I am repeating, children. The IT has initiated a number of programs for manpower development, quality upgradation, and the stimulation of software engineering and research. India has achieved capability of designing and building the supercomputers. Bengaluru and Hyderabad are leading centers of the software industries. Now, robots are also has been under process. Entertainment. The television and the audio industries bloomed in the 1990s as a result of the progress made by the electronic industry. The audio industry can be broadly classified as mono players, stereo players, MIDI systems, CD-based systems, and the car audio systems. The main centers of production are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Pune. So, what are the role of the electronic industry you have learnt? Now we will discuss about the major industries in India under electronic sector. Where it is there? Electronics in India. States. Electronics. The Indian Telephone Industries ITI, Bengaluru, Karnataka. The Electronic Corporation of India Limited ECIL, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. The Bharat Electronics Limited BEL, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Space technology. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Satellite Launching Station, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. National Remote Sensing Agency, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan 1, India's first scientific mission to moon. These all are under space technology, and in the above states they are situated. Software industry, Bengaluru and Hyderabad, they are considered also as Silicon Valley of our country. Entertainment, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Pune. Okay. Try to remember all these state names under the electronic sector. Okay, children. Thank you.